I got into roofing through commercial construction because I've been in construction, and putting up metal buildings involved putting metal roofs on buildings. Next thing you know, I'm just a roofer and not doing ground-up construction anymore. I like medium-sized commercial projects, re-roofing. We do typically flat roofs and sheet metal roofs. That's the most commercial work there is. We offer the best warranties there are in the business. Recently, I've had to take possession of the family ranch operation. So I'm running 80 cows right now. And whenever we get a chance, we love to cook barbecue down there. Oh, cowboy cooking. Yeah, I'm all about that. I've got steel fire pits where we'll build a fire and we'll cook the steaks right over there, or we'll cook bacon wrap venison backstrap or wild game or anything like that. We love doing that. It's been a job so long that it's become second nature to me. So when I see something, I'm usually pretty aware of what I need to do, and I'll take a simplified approach to it. If you've got a building with some roof issues, you know, you're not positive what you need, but you know you need something, feel free to reach out to Jamar Roofing and give me a call. And I'll be happy to visit with you and get you in the right direction and get you going.